In this video, we'll see together expressing possession with demonstrative pronouns. So in fact, in French, it will be possible to express possession with demonstrative pronouns, and the way it will go, well, you will have first to put your demonstrative pronoun, then you will put the preposition de, and after that you will put just the name of the person. So demonstrative pronoun first, then the preposition de, and then finally the name of the person. So let's have a look at, of course, the demonstrative pronoun. If you don't remember what they are, well, let's cover it fast, but then I definitely advise you to have a look at the lesson I've been making on these demonstrative pronouns. But if you want to do it fast, well, for the singular, it will be celui for the masculine, celui. Then for the feminine singular, it will be celle, celle. For the plural form, it will be ce, so it will be the masculine plural here, ce, and then for the feminine plural, it will be celle. So let's recap. Celui, singular masculine, ce, plural masculine, celle, singular feminine, celle, plural feminine. As you can see, and as usual in French, this final S is not pronounced here, so it will be exactly the same pronunciation for the singular feminine celle and the plural feminine celle. So let's take now one example with celui. C'est ton manteau? Non, c'est celui de Laurent. So as you can see, and now we've got the example. We first use the demonstrative pronoun, celui. So we put the masculine singular because we're talking about ton manteau. Manteau is a masculine word, and you can see that in that case it's the singular. So we'll go for the celui pronoun. Then we will put the preposition de, and then we put the name of the person. C'est celui de Laurent. C'est ton manteau? Non, c'est celui de Laurent. So for the feminine singular, let's see the example now. Tu vois cette voiture? C'est celle de Marie. Tu vois cette voiture? So in that case, as you can see, the word is voiture. Voiture is a feminine word. It is the singular form, so we will go for the singular feminine demonstrative pronoun. We keep the same structure as we saw at the beginning of this lesson, so we put the demonstrative pronoun here, celle. We put the preposition de, and finally we put the name of the person, celle de Marie. Tu vois cette voiture? C'est celle de Marie. So let's have a look at the plural form now. So masculine plural. À qui sont ces enfants? Ce sont ceux d'Alexandre et Sophie. So in that situation, enfant, so enfant, it's a masculine word. And as you can see here, it's the plural form, ces enfants. So we will have to go for the masculine plural pronoun. This is ce here. We keep the same structure, ce. Then after that, we will put the preposition de. But obviously, will have to go away because as you can see, the next letter is a vowel. Alexandre, so that's the reason why you will have d'Alexandre. Ce sont ceux d'Alexandre et Sophie. À qui sont ces enfants? Ce sont ceux d'Alexandre et Sophie. And finally, let's have a look at the feminine plural, celle. Tu trouves ces chaises jolies? Oui, mais je préfère celles de ta mère. Tu trouves ces chaises jolies? So in that situation, the word is chaise. As you can see, chaise is feminine. We can see that with the adjective jolie because we've got the feminine form here in jolie. So chaise is a feminine word. It is in the plural form here, ces chaises jolies. So we'll have to go for the feminine plural demonstrative pronoun, celles here. So we put it here, then we put the preposition de, and then ta mère. So in that situation, we're not using the name of the person, but in that case, it could be ta mère, and it's working perfectly. Oui, mais je préfère celle de ta mère. Tu trouves ces chaises jolies? Oui, mais je préfère celle de ta mère. So remember, demonstrative pronouns will be used to indicate the possession, so you just need to remember celui, celle, ce, celle. You put your preposition de and then the name of the person.